Before you scroll away, try this simple challenge. Stand up without using your hands.
No momentum.
No support. Just your body. If it feels harder than it used to, pause for a moment, because that difficulty isn't random. It's one of the earliest signs that your body is quietly losing strength, balance, and control, long before pain or serious illness appears. What if a surgeon told you that aging isn't just about time passing? That it's about what your body gradually stops doing every single day, losing muscle, circulation, stability, and flexibility without you even realizing it. After years of working inside operating rooms and rehabilitation wards, surgeons have noticed something unexpected. The patients who recover faster, move better, and age more comfortably aren't always the youngest, or the ones on the most medications. They're the ones who kept their bodies moving in very specific ways. Today, a surgeon is revealing 5 science-backed exercises, not gym workouts, not extreme routines, but simple movements proven to protect muscles, support joints, improve circulation, and slow the physical decline we associate with aging. Stay with me, because the final exercise is the one most people stop doing first, and it may matter more than all the others combined. 1. Sit to stand, the anti-aging strength test. Sit to stand is one of the simplest yet most powerful exercises a surgeon can recommend for maintaining independence and reversing signs of aging. This movement targets the large muscles of the thighs, hips, and core, the exact muscles that allow you to get out of a chair, climb stairs, or even just move safely around your home. Strengthening these muscles helps prevent falls, improve circulation, and supports joint health, all of which naturally decline as we age. To perform, sit on a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor. Slowly rise to a standing position without using your hands if possible, then sit back down with control. Focus on smooth, deliberate movement rather than speed. Now, here's a little challenge before we move on. When you stand up, count how many seconds it takes for your legs to feel fully stable. Most people are surprised by what they discover, but we'll reveal what that number really means at the end of this first exercise. Remember, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the full step-by-step routine. With just 5 repetitions, this exercise begins strengthening your legs, hips, and core, laying the foundation for easier movement, better balance, and greater confidence in daily activities. Over the coming weeks, you may notice it becomes easier to stand without support, a sign your muscles are growing stronger. 2. Heel-to-toe walk, balance and brain protection. Balance is a cornerstone of healthy aging, yet it often declines quietly until a fall or stumble occurs. The heel-to-toe walk is a deceptively simple exercise that challenges coordination, strengthens small stabilizing muscles in the legs and feet, and engages your brain to maintain balance. Start by standing near a wall or counter for safety. Place the heel of one foot directly in front of the toes of the other foot, as if walking along a straight line. Move slowly and deliberately, taking small, controlled steps while keeping your gaze forward and arms relaxed. This movement retrains both the nervous system and the muscles responsible for stability, which is why surgeons recommend it as a daily practice. Studies show that older adults who regularly practice balance exercises like this experience fewer falls, improved walking endurance, and better confidence in their mobility. Over time, your posture may improve, joints will feel lighter, and the subtle sense of stiffness in your legs can begin to diminish. Even 30 to 60 seconds a day can make a noticeable difference, helping your body stay steady and agile as you age. 3. Standing calf raises, circulation and ankle strength. Circulation naturally slows as we age, which can contribute to swelling, fatigue, and stiffness in the lower body. Standing calf raises are a simple yet highly effective way to activate your calf muscles, often called the second heart, because they pump blood back up toward your heart with every movement. Begin by standing behind a sturdy chair or near a counter for support. Slowly rise onto your toes, pause briefly, then lower your heels back down with control. Avoid bouncing, and focus on a smooth, deliberate motion to maximize muscle activation and blood flow. This exercise strengthens the ankles, improves joint stability, and reduces swelling in the feet and legs. Surgeons often suggest incorporating it for older patients to maintain mobility and prevent circulatory complications. Studies also highlight that even gentle calf activation can enhance endurance while walking and make standing or climbing stairs noticeably easier. Performing 10 to 15 repetitions once or twice daily gradually increases ankle and calf strength. As you practice consistently, you may notice your legs feel lighter, your feet less fatigued, and your joints more flexible, clear signs that circulation is improving. 4. Arm circles and shoulder rolls, joint longevity exercise. Stiff shoulders and reduced upper body mobility are common as we age, yet they are often overlooked. Arm circles and shoulder rolls are gentle exercises that keep shoulder joints lubricated, muscles active, and circulation flowing. To begin, extend your arms slightly to the sides. Slowly make small circles forward for 20 to 30 seconds, then backward. Follow this with slow shoulder rolls, moving up, back, and down. Focus on deliberate movement rather than speed or size. These exercises are highly recommended by surgeons because they maintain range of motion, reduce stiffness, and prevent shoulder injuries that can limit independence. Consistent practice also improves posture, which in turn supports balance and spinal alignment, reducing the risk of falls. Studies have found that older adults who regularly move their shoulders experience less pain during everyday tasks such as reaching, dressing, or lifting. Doing this exercise daily, especially in the morning, strengthens the muscles, improves joint lubrication, and keeps the upper body agile, allowing for smoother, more confident movement throughout the day. 5. Single leg stand, the exercise most people stop doing first. The single leg stand looks almost too simple to matter, yet surgeons consider it one of the most powerful movements for slowing and even reversing age-related decline. As people get older, they unconsciously stop standing on one leg, holding onto furniture, avoiding uneven ground, or rushing movements for safety. Over time, this causes balance systems to weaken, reflexes to slow, and the risk of falls to quietly increase. To perform this exercise safely, stand near a wall or counter. Lift one foot slightly off the floor, keep your chest upright, and engage the standing leg. Breathe normally and focus on staying balanced for as long as you comfortably can before switching sides. This movement activates deep core muscles, strengthens the ankles, hips, and knees, and retrains the nervous system to respond quickly when balance is challenged. Surgeons often use this exercise as a real-world test of functional fitness because it reflects how well the body can protect itself during daily movements. Research shows that practicing it for even 30 to 60 seconds per day can significantly reduce fall risk and improve confidence in walking. And now, here's the reveal of the challenge we mentioned earlier. The number of seconds it takes for your body to feel fully stable during a sit-to-stand is a direct indicator of leg strength and independence. If it took longer than 3 seconds, that's completely normal, and it's exactly what these 5 exercises are designed to improve. With consistency, you'll notice steadier legs, quicker balance recovery, and smoother, more confident movement every day. Aging doesn't happen overnight, and neither does strength. What truly determines how well we age isn't just our years, but the small daily habits we choose to keep or let go of. These 5 exercises may look simple, but together they protect the muscles, joints, balance, and circulation your body depends on every single day. They don't promise miracles, they restore ability. The ability to stand with confidence, walk without fear, and move through life with control and dignity. If today's challenge felt difficult, remember this: difficulty is not failure, it's information. It tells you exactly where your body needs support. And the good news is, the body responds quickly when it's given the right signals. With consistency, these movements can help you feel steadier, stronger, and more capable than you thought possible. If this video helped you, like it so more people can find it. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you never miss our science-backed guidance for healthy aging. Share this video with someone you care about, it could genuinely help them. And leave a comment below telling us which exercise surprised you the most, or where you're watching from. Thank you for watching. Here's to stronger bodies, steadier steps, and aging with confidence.